Here, go with Mom.
Why no? Why?
Because that's the rules. Stay with me. Come here. Mikhail. You're staying with me. I got some fake boogers, and we're gonna prank some people here at Blood Bath and Beyond, or at the store, and we're gonna see what the reaction is. So let's go outside.
The lady, she just kept walking. Go over there, there's a man. Go. On that side.
Good afternoon, Dr. Phil.
These are some nice beds, aren't they?
So furry.
I know.
So oh my god, that's so funny. And that was funny, that man, he's all like, okay, over there. Colton! Lost Colton. Oh, sorry. Colton. Colton, wait. Wait, Colton. I went all the way around because those ladies were gonna see me. There's more people over there. A whole bunch of people. Go, 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 go. Go right there. That lady. These people are so mean.
barrel?
Come on, Colton.
That's it.
She actually gave it to you. Wait, what did you say?
I'm pranking you guys. Go find someone.
No more. Okay, that's it.
One last person.
Okay.
You have any second barrel, sir?
No, you don't.
Okay. Alright.
That's it. No, that's it for today, folks. Bye bye.
Yeah, peace out.